Hello, good afternoon, grade 10. So, this is the time for our asynchronous day. So, happy asynchronous day to everyone. Today I will going to discuss to you about the electromagnetism. But before we proceed on that things or discussion, let us refresh our mind or brain regarding the electromagnetic spectrum. So, let us watch this video and refresh your mind.
Radiation awesome makes travels through our earthen waves. Each wave is a different size, most can be seen with the human eye. Wavelength it measures length of a wave in meters. Frequencies waves per second, different wavelengths span the whole spectrum. The longest of all of the waves in line, the radio waves are like data radio satellite. Next to higher frequency microwaves, more energy, cooking food, quickly phone calling. Infrared is detected by heat thermal bodies. Heat sensing our eyes can't see, but next on the spectrum is visible light, colored light, colored light. And whoa, radiation in the spectrum with flow. Frequencies, radio, micro, infrared, radio waves, longest length, micro waves, cook food, plates, infrared rays, heat sensing, visible light on these colors our eyes show. It's the electromagnetic spectrum. It's the electromagnetic spectrum. Visible light's just a small fraction of all the different types of radiation. Wavelength from 90 to 700 nm, spanning the colors like an orgy dip. Visible light frequency for 30 to 790 TAC. Red, orange, yellow, and green, blue, indigo, violet, all these colors we can see them. After the visible light, the ultraviolet light, UV summer needs some light next time. The next rays penetrate through mild and soft tissues. Doctors use to see bones inside you. Most dangerous waves are gamma rays, the short waves, high frequency energy. Our atmosphere over stops its rays from our absorbing, protecting. And whoa, radiation in the spectrum, some unfold, like the ultraviolet ray, X-ray, gamma rays, UV, need sunscreen, X-rays can see through skin, gamma ray, most energy. These radiations in the spectrum are harmful. It's the electromagnetic spectrum. It's the electromagnetic spectrum.
Alright. So, I think so na-refresh na yung mga utak ninyo regarding to the past lessons that we had, which is the electromagnetic spectrum. And now let us proceed for our discussion regarding to electromagnetism. So again, grade 10, welcome to our synchronous day, and let us discuss all about electromagnetism. And what is electromagnetism? Alright, so we have a word which is electromagnet. So when we say electromagnet, it is a type of magnet in which magnetic field is produced by an electric current. And also, electromagnetism, no? Electricity and magnetism were never thought of as related concept until the discovery of the species Hans Christian Ørsted in 1820. So in this study, electricity and magnet, when we combine that, we can make electromagnetism. And para makapagbigay pa ng mas mataas na charge, no? when we put some magnets on electricity, the current is going to increase or high by means of using a magnet. Parang hinihigot niya yung mas malakas na electricity at magbibigay siya sa iyong mga, like for example, sa inyong mga kagamitan sa bahay na ginagamitan ng electricity, alright? Mas lalakas siya with, by using of a magnet. So, that is the combination of electricity and magnet. Alright. Oersted, the Danish scientist, Oersted observed that when a compass was brought into a current carrying wire, the compass deflected and does not point to the north. Okay, alam naman natin ng uh, magnet, pag sa compass natin siya ginamit, ituturo niya yung north. But in case of this, hahaluan na natin siya ng electricity. Ang mangyayari is magde-deflect na siya. Imbis na sa north, siya tumuro sa ibang part or direction na siya ngayon tuturo. Okay. His experiment led him to conclude that when an electric current is flowing through wire, it acts like a magnet, and electricity somehow produces magnetism. This paved the way to the discovery of principle of electromagnetism. Okay? So what affect the strength of an electromagnet? So the strength of an electromagnet depends on the number of turns in the coil and the amount of current coming from the battery. So as you can see here in the picture, may nakapalibot siya. That is a coil. That is a wire. Na? Turns into coil. Okay? Nakadepende dyan yung current na ibibigay niya and also sa battery na gagamitin mo or sa electric current na gagamitin mo pa para mas mapalakas pa yung electric current nito. Okay? So, also, it affects the numbers of turns, okay, na-discuss ko, electric current through the coil and the core materials. So, this means that a stronger magnetic field is produced when either the number of turns in the coil is increased or when the number of batteries is increased. Let's more elaborate. Application of electromagnets. So, saan ba natin ito ginagamit? Like, for example, used in home appliances. And as you can see in the picture, using the electric doorknob or doorbell, okay? Most of electrical appliances in the house use electromagnetism, such as electric fan, doorbell, magnetic clock, and etc. As I said before, as you can see here in the picture, the man used the electric doorbell. So, in an electric doorbell, for instance, when the button is pressed due to the electromagnetic force, the coil is energized and the bell sound. Okay? Another example, in the field of medical. Okay, we have the MRI or the magnetic resonance imaging is an example of technique that uses electromagnet. Okay, it scans tiny details in the body and it can even trace tumors or cancer cells through the use of electromagnetism. Also, uh, memory storage devices. All right, memory in your phones and the other electronic gadgets are stored in electromagnetic format in the form of bits and bytes. The computer hardware also has a magnetic tapes which work on the principle of electromagnetism. Uses in communication device like cell phone, telephones are driven by the concept of electromagnetism. The electromagnetic pulses and the interaction of signals makes the telephone and mobile phone very handy. To learn more about the relationship of electricity and magnetism to the experiment of Hans Christian Ørsted, you can proceed to the link that's written below and watch some video there. So that is all about electromagnetism. I think this video can help you to answer the activity that I prepared for you. So don't skip any video here. Just watch it, see, or watch, right? Listen and learn. I am Teacher Renzo. Goodbye and thank you.